Safety kill is 15 feet. Either yell safety kill or surrender.
There's a guy by the like little cylinder.
Oh, I think I just saw it. Why don't you, Steve?
What?
Why don't you move up straight here? I'll try cutting through there.
Right there?
Yeah, try moving up there.
The blue box?
Yeah, I'll move up to this blue thing.
Up straight ahead. Oh, I got him. Alright, blue box?
Yeah, that's a good mag change.
Okay, that kid went to the blue box.
I see all three of them moving to the left of those three cylinders. Ooh, they're all going that way.
Hunter!
Over there, Hunter, our left.
No, he needs to get here so we can set up a lane.
Oh yeah, Hunter, come on.
Hunter, come here!
Move up, you're fine. Doing cover fire. Oh. I'm still looking.
Hunter, come here. Come here. Set up here. Look down there. Do you see the cylinder? Hunter, do you see the cylinder? Yeah. Aim for that cylinder over there. They peek their head out every so often.
Ready, Steve?
I don't know where we're going.
These three cylinders, I think we can get a good position from there.
Unless there's guys behind there.
Yeah. You want to go around, maybe try safety shooting them? I'll cover you. I'll move up. So, no gun problems for me so far. How about you?
Pretty good. Hunter, do you see any?
There's one right up here. There should be about 3 of them.
I think drop, but
Hunter, straight back behind a cylinder, behind a box. Straight behind. Do you see it? David, straight. 12 o'clock. Hunter, that way. You should see him behind us. It should be like a cube.
Got it, Steve.
oh my god. This snagger's so fucked up.
Watch your head.
Oh yeah, I see a bunch of people. They just shot me 2 seconds ago.
Watch out, left side.
Just run.
I was.
Oh, well, if you're running, then I'm following you. Tell me when you're going to.
I'm going to try to move that building again.
Go in there. Step back.
Nicely done. That was pretty good.
Sergio.
Watch out, they're behind.
Hello.
Up. No problem. You guys just missed the biggest chance.